Hello, friends. Wanted to give you an update on what I am planning for my vegetable garden for the year 2021. It's Chicago, so it's zone B, and our last frost date is May 15th. So basically, 6 to 8 weeks prior to that, which is around this time, we should start our indoors. We should start our growing our seeds indoors. So the fruits and vegetables that I have planned to grow them inside are these: the Black Beauty zucchini varieties, the Squash Summer zucchini variety. These are different varieties of zucchinis. Something new I am trying this time is the cantaloupes and the honey melon dew. This is the first time I'm going to try them. We'll see more updates to come. Sweet bell pepper. These are the red bell peppers. Then I have the regular Roma tomato, boy hybrid tomatoes. I mean those. I'm trying out different varieties of tomatoes. I like to try those flavors. These are dark red colors, the plum colors, and so on. And then regularly and rest I do have the sweet water. I'm trying watermelon, okra, tomatoes, different kind of tomatoes, and then different kind of eggplants, cantaloupe, and I'll probably start a green pea bush. These I will directly sow them probably by next week. And then broccoli and green chili. The green chili is the regular Thai varieties that we use Indians typically use that a lot in our garden. So that's my plan for fruits and vegetables to start indoor. I do have quite a lot of other plants that I'm planning to directly sow them once it's past Mother's Day. So that's the regular rule of thumb. And then the flowers and herbs that I'm planning to start indoors are the candy cane zinnias. Those are really amazing zinnias with multi layers. The creeping roses, the tulsi, the marigold, the giant variety, and the layered variety, the 4 o'clock plant, the krigos, the primrose, and mixed flowers, and so on. So that's what I am planning to start indoors today, which is May 7th. And we'll keep you an update on how it goes. Thank you.